This video shows how to add smart key to Jaguar Land Rover after 2018. Add key operations required a working key. Step 1. Replace the RFA module or RFA tree. You can replace the RFA module according to the vehicle RFA model. Also, you can replace the RFA main tree. We will update the video about trips building later. Step 2. Write the initial date. If your trips or models already have original date, you can skip this step. Otherwise, the initial date needs to be written. Connect ACDP host, obdii365 adapter, interface clip, and the RFA module. Open Mini ACDP app. Click Jaguar Land Rover. Click Program Smart Key 2018. Click RFA Write Initial Date. Click SPC 560B60L3. Click Write Initial Date. Select the option according to the RFA model. I'm gonna choose the first one, JPLA. Click Continue. Pin detection passed. If fails, please adjust the clip position to read text. Click OK. Click Continue. Write C flash date. Write D flash date. Write trip date finished. Step 3. Identify RFA information. Remove the clips and install the interface board. Choose Identify RFA information. Click Continue. Check the system information and make sure the RFA module is unlocked. Step 4. OBD program key. Load the RFA module and connect ACDP programmer to the vehicle via OBD port. Prepare 2 smart keys that can be programmed. You can use the working key. Click Replace RFA program keys. Click Add Smart Key Out Mode. Click Continue. Confirm the system information and click Continue. Click OK. Follow the instruction and click Continue. Please confirm that the current vehicle ignition is off. Click Continue. Follow the instruction and click Continue. Please confirm that the current vehicle ignition is off. Click Continue. Please prepare at least 2 smart keys that need to be programmed. Put the keys in the car and press the key unlock button during the programming process. Please program the working key as the first key. Please hold the smart key in your hand. Press the unlock button for 4 seconds, and the car horns will sound twice to indicate that the current key has been programmed successfully. The first smart key has been programmed. Please hold the second key. Press the unlock button for 4 seconds. The second key has been programmed. If you want to continue, click Yes, otherwise click No. Please confirm the key information, click OK. Thank you for watching.